Alright, yes, this is my best hair extensions that I always use on my daughter whenever she's going back to school. So please join me as we're doing this tutorial together. Alright, yes, one of the best protective hairstyles that I always do for my daughter when she's going back to school. This is what we do, and I'm gonna be sharing it with you so that you can see. And if you like this style, please go right in my comment section, tell me where you're watching me from, and you can leave me a like. And still, I always accept your opinions on whatever that I do. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers with Z. So you can always come if you want our good services. Yes, you can always come and we work for you. We are located in Intinda Ministers Village, and still we are also in Mbarara City, that is Kamkuzi, behind BAM petrol station. So that is how we are working. So please, you can always come for our services. And another thing is that whenever we are plaiting kids, sometimes we need to consider these kind of hairstyles, because when it comes to kinky, for it is friendly since it is washable and very light. So this would be the best choice for them when they are going back to school. And another thing, we are going to be using the very easy method that can help it to last longer than the usual plating. This is the Afro Kinky that we use. Yeah, it is very soft from Darling Company, and this is how it looks. So, though it doesn't come when it is like this, it always comes like this. So after, you just have to make it soft just like that. You see how you do it this way, and make sure that it is soft. So as you're doing it, you make sure that it is really very soft. Yes, just like that. You make sure that it's very soft so that you can do it very nice. So now, as we're starting doing it, as I told you, I'm gonna be using the two methods of braiding, and after we can lock. So when you braid and you lock, it means somehow, somewhere, this is going to help the kid for the hair to last longer. But I don't want to lock the whole head, because sometimes it might bring tension. So I'm just going to mind about this front hair. Yes, because I know even most of the times they are the ones that always come out soon. So they're the ones that I'm going to focus on, and this is how we do it. I think since you have not seen the real angle, I'm just going to try to make sure that you see it in this other, because here I'm behind. But let's try to see in front. Yes, because that's when you can see it better. And the method that I'm using, as I'm braiding, you can see me. You don't have to make the kinky very tight, because whenever you make it tight, trust me, the strands becomes very hard, and when the strand is hard, it will not it might bring tension and leads to the breakage of the hairline. So you just have to make sure that you braid it, but it stays flexible. You don't have to make it hard. So this is how we do, and you see how it looks. So I can bring my hook so that I can lock it, but when I'm locking, I just have to be as gentle as possible. But already it has that space for this to pass through, so it can always pass through that. That's why I didn't want to include that same thing in the I didn't want to lock it even like in the middle. I'm just trying to focus on the hairline. So this is the method, and the method that we are using is the inward knotless braiding. The inward, it is not like the knotless braid. You know why? It is because this method favors the locking. Yes, this is why, that's why I love doing it this way. So you just have to braid like this, and you make sure that it is very, very soft. So let me try to do it in front and you see it well. I make the 3 portions like that. So when I bring my kinky, and this is how I bring it, so that I put this on top, this one goes this side, and I braid with this is already on this side. And this same method is going to be in our courses that we are soon to launch. Yes, for you guys to start learning online. Yes, it's what we're going to be doing, and that one I will have to send the link in the description, so that you can always go there and you choose your course that you will need to take. So this is how we do these these braids, and I believe it is going to stay longer for her. Yeah, because it helps her. Not like we be plating all the time. Yes, so this is how it looks.
Sometimes you need a little loving. Oh, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Domukono mukugo bumaniche kukora. Kitake wa crochet master. Yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu wa crochet master. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jangu, Jangu. Together.
So when I'm done with everything, I'm just going to focus on the front hair. I just lock the front hair. Yes, just like that. Very gentle. Yes, just like that. You don't have to make it too tight. Yes, and you can see how it is. I make sure that all are passing through, and since there is the space is there, you can see it is easily to pass, and there is no pain at all. So when I'm done with that, yes, I believe that my hairline at least is going to last longer than before for her when she's still at school. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I would like to welcome all the return subscribers. Thank you so much. And those who are still new, I would like you to make it a point by clicking on the red button, ring the bell, so that you always watch our videos. Remember, this channel will always upload videos every week. I make sure I upload a video for you. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and still I work at Hair by Clippers with Z. We are located in Ntinda, Minisas village, that is Kampala City, and we have a branch in Mbarara City, that is Kamkozi, behind BAM petrol station. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out, but if you have any question that you will need to ask, just go right in my comment section and ask what you want to know. Please don't forget to leave a like for me, and you can always comment. Bye bye, see you in my other next video.
Sometimes you need a little loving. Oh, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Domukono mukugo bumaniche kukora. Kitake wa crochet master. Yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu wa crochet master. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jangu, Jangu. Together. Maurice. Morris, 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 Morris. Crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. Oh no, no, no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mie, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Morris. Your crochet master. Morris. Crochet master.